Yoo-hoo! Hey, another day. Let's go. We're going somewhere today that I've never been. It's like a waterfall or something. They wanna show me and my other cousins. Breakfast. Everyone's eating now. I'm gonna eat also. I'm just gonna have some eggs. And then we're gonna head to these falls. I just wanna be alone for a bit because there's so many people. Honestly. Just woke up and everybody's like talking already. I want coffee. It's just we're ready to go. Taking the stage down, the one that we used yesterday. Can you see? Taking it down. This is the outfit. Yoo-hoo! But this was actually mine. My mom brought it here. I don't know why. She wanted to give it to someone. And I took it back. Going to the waterfalls. Exciting. Never been there. I think my mom's never been there either. So it's gonna be a first for all of us. And everybody's vlogging, so that's good because I don't look weird doing this, you know. But I want to capture every single moment. Oh my god, what is this? Oh, it's already here. Aki. Yes.
Sino dito?
We're inside. We are here. Infinity Farm. This is where we're going. You go and check yourself. Oh, we arrived. Guys, it's so hot here. Look, these are the 4 cars, so all of us are coming here. It's like 40 people. Now what?
Hi guys, we're here in Infinity Waterfalls.
Infinity Waterfalls.
Infinity Farm.
Thank you.
Kuya, ano yung sa kanya dito na lang sa delivery?
It's the first time I'm gonna be here. First and last probably.
First and last.
I'm so tired.
Hello guys!
Hello guys.
Hi guys! Welcome to the vlog!
Hi guys. What does it mean, human drone? Okay, I'm gonna leave it here. I think did you see that? That was like the flying drone, human flying drone, Filipino style. Oh gosh, so funny. Filipino families are huge, you know what I mean? So everybody comes. It's normal to be like 40 people in a venue, which I'm not used to anymore, but it's fun. It's gonna be fun, guys. It's gonna be fun, a fun day. We have to check. We're checking the bags here just for security. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Wow, such a nice place. So this is the entrance. I don't even know what I'm expecting to see here. I'm hoping to. I don't know. They said that it's gonna be like waterfalls, but so far this is what we have here. Oh, look what I found. Infinity Farm. Wow. Wow, we're gonna take some videos here. Waterfalls. Wow. We're in the jungle, guys. Can we sit here? Nice. We're just gonna escape the group for a second because we have something to do here. Just discovered why there's so much security and the army's here because the vice president's here. But I don't know her, so it's fine. I feel like it's gonna be a safe kind of retreat for us because everybody's here. So we are secure. We're safe, basically. And I just want a python here. Look, can you see that there? And I want to take pictures over there because it looks cool. But yeah, the army's there. Amazing. I don't think we've seen anything yet though. So I took my t-shirt off because it's too hot. And we're gonna just leave our belongings there. And we're gonna take some pictures here because it's nice. Army forces of the Philippines. Ito ba yun? Ito ba yun?
Oo.
Ah, okay. So this is the place, guys. I thought there was like more, but this is the place. So you can basically sit here and just, yeah. People are jumping already. What? The water's so cold, guys. The water's so cold. So cold.
You jump there.
Did you see the army? The army's here. I said, what are you guys doing here? They said they're here to protect me and my kababayan. I said, okay. Right, I'm naked
You
already.
jump there. So it's deep, so you're safe.
But it's like, oh, it's cold. It's cold. You want me to jump, but I don't think I can do that. I can't. Jump. Big Mac, jump. Okay. Maybe I can jump. Because I'm getting naked. I think I'm too Western for this look, but I don't care.
What can you say about the water?
It's cold, but it feels so good.
Yeah.
So, we're gonna go there and jump again. Okay, so we're gonna jump.
Okay lang. Okay, game. Okay.
Tanggal tapang ko dito.
Gosh, so much fun. This water comes from the mountains. This is a natural spring, and that's why it's so cold because it's just like that, you know. And also, it's so clean. I love this place. I love it so much. Damn, I think that I'm the only one wearing like a speedo, you know what I mean? Because this is not something that people from here wear. So, who cares? Sorry, like my throat has been like this ever since I landed here. But I think I'm I think I'm starting to recover now. Hello. They're gonna go up now. Oh my god. I'm gonna take some pictures myself because I don't know. Nice! Right, so we ordered some food here. We're gonna have lunch and we're gonna stay here for a while, I think. And yeah, we're just taking pictures, jumping. It's like, I I don't know how to explain it. Just having so much fun. I'm not used to being surrounded by so many people, but there's 40 of us today, and yeah, it's fun, guys. It's fun. So I'm gonna miss this once I'm back in London, but for now, I'm just gonna enjoy. Okay. I'm gonna film a bit more on my phone. This is not Fanta, Royal.
Royal.
Fancy. Yes.
Yes. Yeah.
What is this? Leaves.
Banana.
Banana leaves. Wow.
Dahon.
Trying new food. I don't know what's
Yama
this.
palitaw.
Palitaw.
Lumitaw.
This is like sticky rice.
Bueno.
Yeah.
Akala ko'y susuotin.
They gave me a code because we wanted Wi-Fi, so they give you like a code here. You can connect for like this. You can connect for an hour. So I think I'm gonna connect in a bit. I'm just gonna go take pictures here on the bridge. Nice. Yeah, I think I have a good selection of pictures and videos, but I feel like I am not taking enough because every time that I go on holidays or somewhere, I'm like, okay, that's enough. But then I go home, and when it comes to selection time, I'm always like, oh, should I have taken like more pictures? So I feel like that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna take as many pictures as I can and as many videos as I can, even though I think that they are repeated pictures. So afterwards, I have more choice. Billy. It's just like weird. Why did you keep him here? I'm a bit scared. There's too much security here. Maybe it falls. Maybe I shouldn't leave my camera here because maybe it falls. Maybe I should go back. Go back with my family. Because they're eating now. What is this?
This is talong. We call it
Talong.
boodle fight. So we fight while eating. That's why boodle fight.
Wow. So this is how you eat here. It's like banana leaf, and then you put everything here, and then they give you gloves so you can eat with your hands. You know what I mean? But yeah, we have like cutlery also, but nobody uses that here. This is so good. Took some fish with my hands. For some reason, I don't know why, but the food tastes so much better when you are in an environment like this, because I don't know why. I don't know. The army hopefully has left, and so I can take pictures in peace because I feel really observed. Apparently there's more upstairs, so we're gonna go upstairs and see the waterfalls from up top. Okay. Oh wow. Let me take a video here. 3 things at the same time. Wow. I think it's a good spot to take pictures. Look at this. I'm amazed by nature. Like, what? I better go fast because I don't know where they are. Really beautiful here on top. Like, what an adventure. Love Bridge. Oh, there's like a love lock bridge here where you can put your lock and seal your love, but unfortunately, or fortunately, I don't know, I don't have a lover right now, so oh, there's not many. Love Lock Bridge. And then you can come and put your lock here. That was a dangerous thing to do. I think I'm gonna be doing that anymore. Well, I guess you could see, but I had to jump all the way here. There's more to go. More. A lot more. Oh, this is the last one. Right. So we're being patrolled because we're naughty. Wow. I could have gone here. This is where we have to walk. Look at this. Wow. Whoopsie. Oh, maybe I go there. Everybody's telling me to stand there and take pictures from there. Maybe I do that. Should I stand there? Okay. You come here. I cannot wet this camera, so I'm gonna probably have to stop filming. Should I just leave it there? No, I think I'm gonna stop it. I think I'm gonna stop it because I'm scared. If I lose this camera, guys, you don't have vlogs anymore. This is quite deep. I don't think I can do this. Take one picture.
Tanggalin na yan! Ganyan.
What can I say? It was a dangerous thing to do, but it's done now. We just do it. We just did it for the pictures, you know. So. Really? She's saying that today, like last time that she was here, that the water wasn't like this strong. So yeah, it was a bit risky to do this, but you know, I think I'm not gonna be back for a while. So that's it. Yay! We made it! Oh wow. I'm gonna take the pictures. Guys, we had like a full photo shoot today. It's all pictures of me trying to get this shot, you know. And probably only one or two are gonna make the cut. But at least I have a lot of pictures. And my, what is this? My flip-flops, the only ones that I took here in the Philippines, are broken now. Because I put them here in the water and then, yeah, they broke. So now we're gonna do the way back downstairs. The way back down. I think I will need to buy another flip-flops because this is not gonna last, I'm telling you. These are gonna break at any time. The only thing is that the water is really cold, you know what I mean? But what can I ask for? You cannot ask for the water to be warm. This is where I came from before, where I risked my life. And now we're gonna make our way down. There's like places here for families to come and actually stay. But we chose to be downstairs because it's where the water is more shallow, you know? And there's more space for all of us. And I think that tomorrow we're gonna go to the beach. I'm not quite sure yet about what's the plan because people here don't plan that much, you know. We just go with the flow in the sense of, okay, we wanna go to the waterfall. It's not like it's decided in one day, but yeah, people here just like flow. I don't know how to explain it. It's just easier. Yeah, the way they live here is different from London, for example, where it has nothing to do with this, but it's cool here. See you downstairs, okay? Because I need to concentrate now. We're almost down where everybody is. We're back. We are back. So I'm going to the toilet. There's some food here also. You see that? Yeah, I'm going to the restroom, to the CR. Oh, what is this? Fruits. Look what I found here. A basket full of, what is this, coconut? I don't know. Well, let me take a picture. I love taking pictures of like random things. And I'm gonna put everything together in a carousel. Does that make sense? And then here's the restroom. Huh? We may be going in a beach, he said, so I don't know. Alright, I found the restroom. I'm gonna go now. This has been so far one of my favorite experiences ever since I landed here in the Philippines. I wasn't expecting anything, to be honest, because they told me just get ready, we're gonna go at 9 a.m. We're gonna go to the waterfalls, and I was expecting, you know, just to see waterfalls from the road, and that's it. But I wasn't expecting like a full-on place to go and have lunch and, you know, explore, take some pictures. So that was nice. And yeah, I got to spend time with my family and relatives and others. And as I said before, like we have 40 people, like it's a lot of people, you know, but we had a lot of fun. A lot of fun. I just want to be present. I don't want to think about what am I gonna do when I go back and all of those things, because otherwise I'm gonna get depressed. So I'm just trying to concentrate in the present. In the present is right now, you know what I mean? Do you guys think I'm getting tan? I don't know. I think I am. A little bit. But the beauty standards here are different, you know. The whiter you are, the better. So for me, it's quite the opposite. I want to be tanned and embrace my natural color instead of using those whitening products that they use here. I don't believe in them. I think that everybody should embrace their own color and their own beauty as they come. And I think I'm getting tan, but I put protection today, because I always forget. I put on my face and on my body. I'm so happy. It's like nature. Nature. Wow. I'm done. I'm tired. I changed. We're still here. We cannot move because it started raining like crazy. So we're just waiting for some umbrellas now. But we are pretty much packed and ready to go. Everybody is just waiting. We packed the food, we packed everything. Just waiting to go now. Okay, so they came with a gigantic umbrella right there. So then we're just gonna wait for the drivers. Huh? Yes, it's raining too much, you know. Okay, the umbrellas are here.
Lapit ko muna kaya ang sasakyan natin.
Ayun.
Ah, okay.
Bakit ang sasakyan?
Ah, okay. Oh my god, chaos.
Sasakyan! Nauna kayo sa sakyan nyo. Bukas na ba yung sasakyan nila? Si daddy na.
Lalapit daw ang sasakyan.
I think we're next. Okay, let's go.
Sakay, sakay.
Tayo!
Sa papa!
Hindi, iba.
Isa pa daw.
Okay. Ang ate na yung puti. Alin ang ate? Mama.
Kapit po, mother.
Ay, ganyan tayo. Yan. Yan.
Oh my god!
Oh my gosh. Ang
Oh my
lamig.
gosh!
Wala na dito ulit.
Ayan.
Ayan!
Oh.
Thanks!
Thank you po.
Salamat po.
We made it. Okay.
Sabay-sabay.
Oh.
Cheer. Wala na.
Going home.
Yan, lumito na oh.
Sa isang yun. Kaya pala nakalagay kanina. Alam nila sila ako. Nakatawid kayo mo ngayon?
A quick stop because we are gonna have some coffee.
We're here at Settle's Best.
Coffee.
Best coffee in the Philippines.
So, what is this? What can we get? Coffee.
What do you want, Benedict?
What's ano masarap?
Bukod sa akin,
Salted. Salted caramel.
So, oh yeah.
Is that good?
Yeah, that's good. Salted caramel.
Mocha?
Yeah.
We're collecting the orders now. So they're asking around what we want. Well, I think we're gonna be here for a while. Just like waiting now. But yeah, we have to make 40 coffees. They put my name and everything. Salted caramel. Sí. Sí solo. A lot of sugar.
Ano yan? Sugar?
Just pedido. Ooh. Sarap. We try.
Ate ko.
It's different.
Ilan tayo lahat
See,
Masarap.
it's good. Fuera. Ah, espera.
Ben.
Anyways, I wanna go outside because it's too, yeah, I wanna be here. Maybe it's too hot for this weather. It's coughing. But I think it's fine. Maybe I go there so nobody can see me. 1 second. SBC. Yeah, here. Here I can stay in peace. We are literally in the middle of the road. Let me just show you the road. Okay, we're done here. I think we're gonna go to the village or the city to buy some flowers. And I think that's the plan, but I'm not sure because everything changes here in a split second. But now I'm a little bit more awake. Like before, I was falling asleep. Okay.
Oy. Oy.
We bought flowers.
Walking kayo.
Siete kayo.
A ver.
Mahuli kami ng pulis. Bye-bye. Bawal yung tayo tatlo kami. Bawal yung dinadali ng 1.5.
Finally back home after all day of being out. I don't know what are we gonna do now, but it was such a great day today, let me tell you. I did so many things with my family and that fills up my heart, that makes me happy. But I'm exhausted. Like on the way back home, I fell asleep. But yeah, it was a great day. And I'm gonna, you know, I don't know what to do right now. I think I'm just gonna chill. I'm just gonna chill. I guess I'll see you soon if I don't do anything else today. Otherwise, I'm just gonna update you in a little bit. Let's see what we're up to now. Alright, but I was, oh my god, it's such a great day. Like I cannot stop thinking about it. But if I don't see you, if I don't update you anymore, I'll see you on the next one, okay? Which probably is gonna be tomorrow. So subscribe. Love you. I was relaxing and editing my vlog, you know, but then I've been summoned by my family again because we're gonna eat again. It's like I feel like I'm enjoying way too much this lifestyle now, which is like eating, going to places, eating, sleeping, going to places, eating, sleeping, going to places, and that's fun. But I also want my own space, you know, because I feel like I'm used to being alone a lot in London, and so I feel like anything that changes in your life takes a while for you to get used to it, but this is easy, you know what I mean? I'm just scared about when I go back, but it's fine. I'm gonna go out now and join them for dinner because yeah, they already came to this bedroom for, I don't know how many times. They came like 3 times already. Mind you, this is not, I mean, like, it looks like a bedroom, but it's actually like a mini apartment. They built like 5 of them, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just for people that come and visit. And it's the first time that I'm here, so let's go have dinner. Did you eat? No.
No, I will not eat na.
Okay, let's go eat.
I will just get sabaw.
Just sabaw?
Yeah.
Why? Why are you just eating already? Okay, gonna eat now. This is the food. Shrimps, a bit of meat, and rice. Okay, I'll check in later.